Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. And if you guys recall, I think a couple months ago I made a video on Redux FPS, which is right on my screen. It is an FPS game that I am working on, which I co-own with my partner.
You have joined Bravo Team.
With my partner Isasta. You can follow him. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for his Twitter. But as you guys can see, this is the version I showed you guys. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some updates we have made, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. But before we get there, for those of you that have not seen this yet, I just want to show you guys. So this is Redux. It's an FPS inspired off of Destiny. Obviously not everything is the exact same, but it is heavily inspired off of Destiny. So if you enjoy games like Destiny, you will enjoy Redux. So as you can see, we got some missions right here. This was never fully complete, but we got settings, we got arsenal. See, we got these supers, which are it's super loud, which are basically ultimate abilities. As you can see, I'm just gonna pick the Game Blast right here. We got primary, secondary, character right here, and we got the store, which here's some guns, the sniper, the cosmetics, as you guys can see. So let's hop into the game. This right here is the old framework. As you can see, here is the double jump, right? So as you guys can see, I wish I had somebody in game right now so I can show you the gameplay, but this is the basic gist of it right here. Waiting for my super to charge in the bottom right corner. It's very close. Alright, my super is just about to charge up in just a second here. Alright, you can see super charged. That was kind of hard to see, but just a little cave area. Alright, I'm gonna use my super now. Boom. As you guys can see, let me turn my graphics up. This is how the game looks on 10 graphics. Alright YouTube, here we are in Roblox Studio. Now I want to show you guys what we have been working on for the new version of Redux. I'm gonna show you guys what we have in store. So here is the dash lander, which is similar to an Uzi right here, as you can see. And here are the skins we have. We got a bunch right here. We got a camo, a blue camo, a Yeti, a recolor. We got a copper skin, silver, gold, platinum, nice pink. It's sort of like a nice neon color. This right here is like a, I don't know, like a casino type of color. Tiger stripes. We got scales, some blue orbs, geometric, abstracts, some flowers. It's like some kind of deers. It's like a Japanese kind of pattern right here. And over here, it's a nice color combination. This is like a elegance kind of style. Some ice shards, a water skin, nice abstract pattern, and right here is like a zebra pattern. But I'm gonna hop in game and I'm gonna show you guys the new gameplay. This right here are the new gameplay mechanics. It's much smoother than the last one. As you can see, here is the super. There's no icons yet. We're still working on this. I wish I had somebody here so I could show you guys the health bar in the bottom left corner, but it's fine. But yeah, let's take a look around this map. This is like a subway train station type map. Right, so here's one side. Boom. And we can go over here. We go down here. We're gonna make these windows breakable. Get up here and go inside. So yeah, so we're gonna go down here. Right now I have the platinum skin on my gun. This lighting is not finalized. We have yet to adjust the lighting for this map, so this right here is not the final product. All right, so yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Leave a like if you are excited. Now I'm gonna hop inside Photoshop and show you guys the artwork behind this, layers, because this is a JFX channel. So yeah, all right, here we are in Photoshop. Let me show you guys. This is the new HUD. This is the scoreboard, which we haven't added yet. And this right here is supposed to, and this down here is supposed to appear when you eliminate an enemy. So I'm gonna show you guys the menu. We got feature items, we got the rank, nameplates, your name, currency, scoreboard, and the buttons right here. This is the chat, map voting. This is the player overview, which I think is pretty cool. I think you guys will like this right here. It shows your name, your rank icon, your kills, your ratio, and games played, time played, how many kills you have using your top super, your most used weapon, and here is the player progression, current rank, next rank, and this right here would be what you unlock with each rank up. Got the avatar section, which you will be able to purchase avatars, unlock them with the battle pass or just by playing the game with codes. So this right here is where you can change your avatar. We got the loading screen, leaderboard, which I think is probably the cleanest frame in this entire UI. As you guys can see, if I bring out the guidelines, see right here, boom, very clean. Got your rank, your team. Right here is the kill cam. Yeah, the HUD, and this right here is the end screen. Summary, rewards, and leaderboard. Your current rank, XP gain, your kills, battle pass progression right here, and this right here is your loadout. So yeah, this is a rather quick video, but if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I hope you're looking forward to playing this game. We have been working on this for a very long time, so yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.